guys, street food tour has begun. We're with our group here, our guide. We're gonna go into the square, start eating, go into the Medina. Apparently hit a whole bunch of hole-in-the-wall places, so it takes some cool videos. All right, peace out, guys.
This place in Marrakech is a legacy. So it has more than 200 years. And it is run by 3 families.
So is this just the repair?
Yeah. It's just repairing. Just the top.
We just had stop number 1 of I think 7 on the food tour, and we had some roasted sheep that was cooked for about 2 hours in an underground oven, and sheep's head, the cheek and the tongue. It's pretty gnarly, but still pretty good. All right, we're at our next stop.
So the last harvest also takes longer to visit.
Number 2 was at an olive bar. I got some sweet pictures, and I ate a pickled pepper, which I believe was a jalapeno, which was delicious, and now my mouth's on fire. We did wash it down with preserved lemons, which was really, really good. Preserved only with salt. All right, moving on to our next one.
That's something similar to breakfast.
Yeah. You guys need some salt? Salt?
All right, guys, we're still on the food tour. I think this is stop number 5. Hey, Moroccan donuts, freshly made. All right, guys, we're about to visit one of the big ovens. It actually heats the houses above it, and that's where they cook all the tagines in the neighborhood. So we're about to go in. It's downstairs. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. This is the oven of the hammam. So it heats up the rooms of the hammam, water, here to be cooked here. So like the ashes that he just put out.
Alright guys, still on the food tour, kicking butt. We're at this little stand right here where they, it's snails. They, I guess, boil them or cook them in 35 spices, and then you get the juice here. Helps with, what did you say?
Everything.
Helps with everything, so cheers. It's quite good.
Oh, sorry. My bad. We got excited.
I love this part of the tour. Yeah. Actually, the reason we do this is to cool down the tea. And also for the bubbles.
We are headed into the square now, day number 3. A couple cool things that we learned that's really awesome. There's not a whole lot of waste here. So as we were taking tours yesterday and we saw a bakery and learning about how they cook and things, even the breadcrumbs, any extra breadcrumbs they have left over, there's a guy that picks all the leftovers up the next day and then sells them to the farmers.
They're literally selling their breadcrumbs to feed the farm animals. How cool is that?
Very little waste. And when it comes to the animals, they use the entire animal. Hence what we were eating yesterday. So pretty cool. See what else we can pick up today. I wish you guys could smell this right here. So this is the local morning market, and all of this hanging up is all fresh herb. Most of it is mint, so it smells so good. Probably had mint. How many times have you had mint? Like 6 times a day already. It's crazy. It's awesome.
Headed to our cooking class. This is our guide. Oh, look at the kitties.
We just got to our cooking class. We're waiting for the others to arrive. But you guys gotta check this out. Should be pretty fun. We're mid-cooking class. We just made some fresh bread. Here we're headed to the bakery to bake these bad boys up. All right.
We're walking back to our cooking class. We just baked or made our bread and we took it to the community oven. There's only one in each community, so everybody makes their dough and then takes their bread to the oven to be baked.
Alright guys, we are done with our tour. Celia's about to go shopping in here, and I guess our driver on the way over here didn't quite stop at a stop sign and we got pulled over. But if you just kind of slip him a little extra when you're showing him your papers, he let us go, so we're all good. Alright, see ya. Alright guys, we're on the move again. We're getting dinner soon, but we're walking through the square. It is getting packed out already. And we gotta get some juice. You get fresh squeezed juice for like 40 cents.
For all of the good stuff. Ginger, orange, pomegranate.
So we're gonna hunt some good stuff down. Alright, peace. Guys, we got our drinks here. The guys in the background made it for us. We literally got a mix of all the fruits called a panache. We did some add-on ingredients. We got ginger and a whole bunch of stuff added on, and it's costing 40 dirhams, so it's about $4 for both. Can't get fresher than that. All right, good morning. We are back at the airport. We had a good time in Marrakech. It was awesome. We actually headed to Fez, and then we have a 4-hour car ride to Chef Sharon today. So, yep, that's where we're going. We're super excited, but a full day of travel. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Peace.